On this video I would like to show you how we can cut a sign from import to the machine. So just go to import the EPS files. Okay. Here we will move the result toward to the origin, and we will not combine. So we have this result. For the moment I will just uncombine and delete what I don't need. What I don't need is all this small part and also this small one. With TYPE EDIT we can check if contours are okay or not by using this function intersection markers. If I run the function, I can see that I have a lot of double contour. Okay, I delete the reference. If I just move, I can see that I have several double contour, so same contour on same position. If I come back, I have a function where I can delete double contour using remove overlapping contours. If I do so, I can see that I have removed 25 contours. And if I check again with these tools, okay, I can see that I have no more double contour. Next step, I want to nest the result of this on the material. To do so, I will use a material which have this size. Okay. And then I will, so for the moment, I will uncombine and I will combine here internal and external contour only to make before the nesting. So means that I have this element, and so on. Okay. So to run the nesting, I will select all of the contour, go on this toolbar, and then I have this. I can select to nest on the material. As the material have no typical recto verso faces, I can make a mirror. I can also nest on a small hole. Okay, I will able to rotate all the contour like this, and also I will use this function to add matrix cut line, because when I cut all the letters, it will be difficult to remove the rest of the material. With this function, I will cut the rest of the material, and then I can take the piece smaller. I validate. I generate a report. Okay. The report will tell me which option I have taken before. Okay, and here this is the result of the nesting, and you can see here these lines are the lines that I will use to cut the rest of the material, and here this is the result of cutting nesting. Now, before going to the cam module, I will open the selection filter, and also here the sorting mode, where I can manage the sorting contour for the machining. The selection filter will allow to select here only close contour like this. Okay. I will also set up here on which way we will make the milling. So we can sort back and forth vertically, back and forth horizontally. Okay, so I will select that one and make the selection like this. So you can see that I have selected only close contour. Okay, now I will run the cutting. For the cutting, according to the nesting menu, I have selected end mill 3 millimeters. I know that the material I will to cut, the thickness is 3, so I will take something like 3.2, only in one single slice. External, of course, I will use a tangential entry and exit, where I will define here the value. It will be the distance 0.5 and the radius, let's say at 3. Okay, and I will use a manual order of contour. If we zoom out, we can see here different entry and exit tangential on this different part of the contour. Okay, we can go simulate now. Okay, next I will select only open contour, create a plotting, and again take end mill, again same Z, to cut here the rest of the material. Finally, I can go to machining, choose BS rover machines, that we can output a code which will look like this one.